is a blog management website, okay, that I have created using Spring Boot, Java, and database MongoDB. This is the wrapper. This is the front end of this program. It is a simple login page where we have to enter the login details that we have created earlier. So when we enter, we go to the home page. Here we can see that enter the first name. So when we enter something that so it will change that welcome to the login site, and then we can create any post like hello world, something that what is say something anything that we also get some commas or something and some support, and we can see the inputs from there world space or something, and the backend that is it like this is the number of users that I have been created for this. So these are when we create an account, it also was added into the database like this. So this is the ID password that I use to log in. If I see the number of posts, so we simply go to the post, and now we see this is the post like this. Hello world, what is it? So this is the browser side. I deployed on a render, and the front end is deployed on a Vercel. This is a basically a repository that I have created. So we can see that the backend and the front end is, and the feature of this web project, like we can create an intro, delete the file using Postman. We can also delete the post just by using accessing the ID. Yeah, that's